Hello everybody, it's Chris here from C&M Reptiles. We've got something special today, something we were actually hoping to get after we got gargoyle geckos, but we were blessed with this one today, and I think you guys would really enjoy the video we made of her now in her new enclosure. So this is a Lichianus gecko. She's a 2.5-year-old female. Stunning animal. Apparently you get two varieties of this one, so they can you get a bigger one, but she's already quite massive and very nice to handle. We are so blessed here at C&M Reptiles to have something as amazing as this in our collection. We are building now a reptile room for ourselves, so we are planning to upgrade with a lot of males and females of this species. The thing is, they are quite difficult to breed. So you have to have maybe a few options of males. They do not just take any male. So we still have a lot of research to do on them, but we have a lot of friends that are assisting us with how to set it up, how to get them to breed. So we just redid the enclosure now, and like always, but this thing is gonna go fully live with plants and lighting and heating sources. So for now, we just took out some of the substrate, and then we set her up in a new setup with new cork bark, a lot of new places to hide, and she is now quite enjoying herself at this stage. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos.